And see, Jeezy, he just be looking like magnificent. Like Jesus just was like, oh. Just breathe. So today, me and my family want to take family pictures. Say hi, Toy. Say hey, Mom. So we're on our way. It's gonna be our first pictures with my nephew Jace. So I'm excited. So hopefully I get to show y'all. Set my phone up somewhere where y'all can see. So I am.
This sound like Cardi State.
So we took our family pictures. We about to go to Somerset to.
And we about to do a bomb ass mukbang.
A seafood broil.
Yeah.
Boil. Mukbang.
Mukbang. In the video yet. You ain't got it.
I gotta get the back. Oh!
Ow. She hot back there like
Ow! I really did hurt my arm. So, about to run to Sephora.
Hey y'all.
About to run to Sephora and switch her Fenty foundation because we got the wrong color. I bought her the wrong color for her birthday.
Help me get in. Ouch, you digging your knee.
They could come just park up here and wait for us because Sephora is like literally as soon as we walk in. So yeah, we need to run and switch this foundation. So we at Somerset right now.
Yeah, we came in right here.
Oh, it's not. Well, whatever. The escalator broke, so.
This the classy mall.
Oh my God.
This a workout. Let me get off this hoe before it get to working.
It go up anyway. Woo. Right here. It's on top of Mac. No, Mac was downstairs. Mac was right here. Sephora right there.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying it was right on top of it.
How the hell the escalator gonna be broke? I'm about to have an asthma attack.
I know. Nobody pays attention where they going. They just walk into you.
Huh?
I said nobody pays attention to where they going.
Just walk right into you.
Whew, I'm tired. Golly, I need to work out.
This looks like really.
So I got 420.
Oh, you probably need 410 or 400.
Yeah, probably
400. That's it. Yeah, that's 2 shades down. I think that's what you needed. I love face masks, dog. Like, I'm addicted.
Me too.
I'm so addicted. What is, like, your favorite mask you like to put on? I like the peel masks. Do you like the ones that you wash off? Which one makes your face feel, like, more refreshed? I feel like the peel off mask do, because when you peel it off, you can see all like the dead skin and the blackheads and everything in the mask. It's dope. All right, well, we waiting on somebody to come over here and match her with this foundation. We think we got the right color, but we're not 100%. Cause I would marry Romeo and Nick Cannon.
Romeo fine as hell. He can have $2. I get him my check.
No, you didn't. Say you will pay him.
Okay,
for the
deal.
deal.
Here, boo.
Pay him for
it from you. I just want you.
Oh shoot!
I'm tripping about these steps, bro.
So do we go down this way or no? The down one.
The down one's work. And see, Jeezy, he just be looking like magnificent. Like Jesus just was like, oh. Just breathe some breath on that nigga. Like, God, he is really fine. Hey, Jeezy, catch me without my glasses. You know how Kanye DDG was like, you know, I had the braids before.
Nah, I got the he said I had the fro before.
Now I got the braids. Like, so you got to catch me without my glasses.
Right. So So we're back at home and getting ready to do the seafood roll mukbang. I am so excited. We using Miss Lovely little sauce stuff. So that's about to be so good. So let's go see what my sissy at the kitchen doing. Cause she is the chef, okay? Not me. I don't do that. While somebody's eating noodles. Is it good? Say yep. What we got? So she got all the seasonings here.
Got the cayenne, Cajun, oregano, lemon pepper, paprika, pepper, crushed
that
pepper,
garlic?
chili powder, real garlic, because that's what she said to use.
Yes.
My sweet onion. I got a smaller one since she used a fourth, because I figured then I could just use a half of a little one since she had a huge one. So that's how we're going to do that. My lemon pepper, Old Bay, my butter. I got my potatoes over here cooking, but I just realized I don't have something that I need.
And
I'm
let's
gonna
take a look
turn
in the
it off.
pot.
Crab legs boiling.
Way boy.
I'll probably be able to treat
About to
these
be
potatoes,
good.
but I grabbed that while we
And
got
she's
it.
gonna add broccoli and
Broccoli and cheese.
cheese on the side.
With
So
my own homemade cheese sauce.
yes. So we about to get it. Get it. I'm so excited though. I'm so hungry though. What did I eat today? Yeah, I didn't.
Breakfast. We had
Oh yeah, we did have breakfast. You had what?
2 funky ass slices of pizza.
2 funky slices of pizza.
I got your concealer. Let me see. Hey.
So, the mukbang will be uploaded probably tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this video today. So, here you go.